Introduction. Writing in English is an essential skill that helps in communication, education, and career growth. Whether you are writing an email, a story, an essay, or a report, learning how to write correctly and clearly is important. This lecture will guide you through the basics of English writing, step by step. We will cover 1. The writing process. 2. Sentence structure. 3. Grammar and punctuation. 4. Writing different types of texts. 5. Common mistakes and how to fix them. 6. Practice exercises. Let's start with the basics. 1. The writing process. Good writing doesn't happen in one step. Follow these stages. Step 1. Pre-writing, planning your ideas. Before you start writing, think about: what is your topic? What are you writing about? Who is your audience? Who will read your writing? What is your purpose? To inform, entertain, persuade. Example: if you are writing a letter to a friend, your style will be informal. But if you are writing a job application, your style will be formal. Exercise. Think of a topic you want to write about. Write 3 sentences explaining why you chose this topic. Step 2. Writing the first draft. Now, start writing your ideas without worrying about mistakes. Just focus on getting your thoughts on paper. Step 3. Revising and editing. Read your writing and check: does it make sense? Are the ideas clear and connected? Are there any grammar or spelling mistakes? Example: first draft. I want learn English because is important for job. Edited version. I want to learn English because it is important for my job. Exercise. Write a short paragraph, 4 to 5 sentences, about your daily routine. Then check for mistakes and rewrite it correctly. 2. Sentence structure. A good sentence has 3 parts. 1. Subject, who or what the sentence is about. 2. Verb, the action or state of being. 3. Object, the person or thing affected by the action. Examples: I, subject, like verb, chocolate, object. She, subject, is verb, happy, adjective. Exercise. Write 5 simple sentences using different subjects and verbs. 3. Grammar and punctuation. Basic grammar rules. 1. Use the correct verb tense. She goes to school every day. Present. She went to school yesterday. Past. 2. Use articles and the correctly. I saw a cat. One of many. I saw the cat. A specific one. 3. Use correct prepositions. I am at home. She is sitting on the chair. Basic punctuation rules. Use capital letters at the beginning of sentences. Use a full stop at the end of a sentence. Use a comma symbol to separate ideas in a sentence. Use a question mark for questions. Exercise. Correct these sentences. 1. He is good student. 2. I like apple, banana, and orange. 3. Where are you going? 4. Writing different types of texts. 1. Writing a paragraph. A paragraph has a topic sentence, main idea, supporting sentences, details and examples, a concluding sentence, summary. Example: my favorite hobby is reading. I love reading books because they help me learn new things. I read every day and I enjoy different types of books. Reading makes me happy and improves my knowledge. Exercise. Write a short paragraph about your favorite food. 2. Writing an email. Formal email example, to a teacher. Subject: request for information. Dear teacher's name. I hope you are doing well. I am writing to ask about the English assignment. Could you please give me more details? Thank you for your time. Best regards. Your name. Exercise. Write an email to a friend inviting them to your birthday party. 3. Writing a story. A story has 1. Introduction. Introduce the characters and setting. 2. Middle. Describe the problem or main event. 3. Ending. Solve the problem and finish the story. Example. It was a rainy night. John was walking home when he saw something shiny on the ground. He picked it up and realized it was a key. But whose key was it? He decided to find out. Exercise. Write a short story, 5 to 6 sentences. Starting with, one day I found a mysterious letter. 5. Common mistakes and how to fix them. 1. Mixing up your equals something belongs to you. This is your book. Your equals short for you are. You're my best friend. 2. Using their, and their incorrectly. Their equals belonging to them. This is their house. Their equals a place. The book is over there. Their equals short for they are. They're happy today. 6. Practice exercises. 1. Write a paragraph about your daily routine. 2. Write an email to a teacher asking for help with homework. 3. Write a short story, 5 to 6 sentences. Starting with, I woke up and realized something was different. 4. Correct these sentences. She like play football. I go to school every day. Where is my book? Conclusion. Writing in English takes practice, but by following these steps, you can improve. Plan your ideas before writing. Use correct sentence structure. Check your grammar and punctuation. Write different types of text. Learn from your mistakes. Keep practicing, and your writing will improve every day. Final exercise. Write a short paragraph, 5 to 6 sentences, about your favorite hobby and check for mistakes.